Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming back to you with another video. Today is September 5th and I just want to apologize. I will not be showing my face today because it's been a long day. For those that don't know, I'm in New York and we are back to school. The children are back in school and it has been rough. So I look rough. But for those that don't know, today is Wednesday and today is another payday through the Power Lead system. For those that don't know, I've been involved in this program since September of 2017, and it has helped me generate thousands of dollars online. And I'm showing others how to do the same by literally duplicating the funnel that I've been using that's allowing me to create this full-time income. So for those that don't know anything about the Power Lead system, they have been around since for 10 years, okay, for 10 years, and they've been paying every single Wednesday. And what I love about it is people that don't know how to market, don't know anything about traffic, can literally come in and get started and start promoting their opportunity. And if you don't have an opportunity, you can just promote the Power Lead system. So this is my back office. When you come in as a gold member, which is $53 a month, you have access to, you become an affiliate and you have the resale rights to resell this product. At the higher levels, of course, they have the diamond, which is a one-time payment of $147. It's going to allow you to get unlimited $100 commissions. At the platinum level, it's a one-time payment of $497. That's going to allow you to get unlimited $400 commissions. And then the Master Traffic Institute level, which is a one-time payment of $1497, allowing you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. I have brought in a ton of people and I am able to earn a residual income, which I love because that allows me to pay my residual bills. I currently have a balance of $823 for the week, and I've been accumulating thousands of dollars on a weekly basis with this program. What's going to happen is when you join this business, you are going to receive emails that are going to come through for when people actually opt in to your capture page, or they come in and they actually upgrade as a diamond, gold, or a fast start. Whenever you see these fast start bonuses, those are $400 commissions. PLS customers and gold members are $20 commissions. The diamond level is $100 commissions. And right here, these are opt-ins. This is traffic. So what I do is I teach people how to use free and paid methods to get traffic on a consistent basis to their link. As you get more traffic, you gain more momentum, you start to get more sales. And you can do this pretty much on any budget. Me being a mom of two, I had to do this on a budget. And then as I brought more and more people in, I just upgraded and started to purchase traffic a little bit at a time, okay? So what I do also is for everyone that gets involved at the diamond or platinum level or the MTI level, I will set up your funnel at no charge. If you come in as a gold member, you can pay a one-time fee of $50 and have the funnel set up for you. So you can just start driving traffic to the funnel. So basically, in a nutshell, the Power Lead system is just a traffic magnet, a lead magnet to get more people to look at your opportunity, to get involved with your business, to get an idea on how to generate traffic on a consistent basis. If you're interested in this opportunity, you want to learn more about how this works, you want to join my team, the link will be in the description below for you to get started. If you would like to connect with me, you can on Facebook. Or what you can also do is send me an email, or you can reach out to me by phone, and that information will also be in the description of this video. Thanks so much for stopping in. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great night.